Listen and listen real quick. The very first money I made in crypto, I made it through Airdrop, the Money Dog Airdrop. If you doubt me, I have proof, but I'm not doing this thing for validation. I'm only here to let you know that the crypto ecosystem is a way to make money online. You understand? As an internet hustler, I decided to explore the crypto ecosystem to see if I can make money here. After exploring the content creation business ecosystem and also exploring the social media platform ecosystem, I also decided to connect the crypto ecosystem to it, because this is what I do on this channel. This is what we preach on this channel. We are trying to build sustainable income stream around just 3 areas of specialization in the internet space, which is the content space, the social media space, and the crypto space. Although the content space, or the content business space, and the social media business space, or the social media space are somehow intertwined. Yes, because social media platforms is more like a marketplace where you display your content products. Like YouTube. After making this content now, I'll display it on YouTube so that people can watch. It helps me build audience, and then I make money from ad revenue. So you see that social media and content are intertwined. They work together. They can't work without each other. And this is 21st century. It's not like those days where you have to use TV or radio to market yourself. With now, you can market yourself as a creator or as a business owner or as a brand owner by utilizing social media platforms. YouTube is there, Instagram is there, TikTok is there, Facebook is there. So after utilizing this social media platform as a creator, you have made some money and you are doing well, you need to put money into crypto. It's very necessary. These are digital assets. I don't joke with digital assets. One of the most precious digital assets is crypto digital assets. Don't joke with it, no doubt. NFT is there, but people have adopted crypto more than any other digital asset. That is why I talk about crypto on this channel. It's a way to build a sustainable income stream for yourself as an internet hustler. In fact, it's a proven way to make money as an internet hustler. Sorry, someone is making use of an industrial engine. I think it's a neighbor far away. Don't mind the noise, okay? This is one of the things, or one of the challenges we creators go through. So crypto, yes, if you want to make money online, crypto is a proven way. And if you want to make money free online, crypto is also a proven way by doing airdrop hunting. Yes, I did airdrop hunting. I made almost over 500,000 naira from it. Yes. Just that it's difficult to keep money, you spend money. If you doubt me, I have proof. I did 33,000 money dog. Yes. From airdrop hunting. I did 33,000 money dog crypto digital asset. I did 29,000 hamster crypto digital asset. Although they didn't really make me rich, but airdrop exposed my knowledge to the crypto ecosystem. It made me understand how crypto ecosystem work. So experience, they say, is the best teacher, but for me, personal experience is the best teacher. If it haven't happened to you, you won't be able to share a relatable story to that scenario or that situation. It is because I have gone through the airdrop hunting stage, or I have been an airdrop hunter, I can boldly and confidently tell you that the best way to get crypto knowledge, or the best way to enter into the crypto ecosystem, is by airdrop hunting. Venture into the crypto ecosystem as an airdrop hunter. You will thank me later. You will never lose money. You will never run at loss. You will never fall for scammers. You never fall for scam project, because as an airdrop hunter, you'll be exposed to the knowledge of knowing how the crypto ecosystem works, knowing how crypto are generated, how the crypto coins you see today, how they are generated, how crypto are being programmed through the blockchain technology, cryptographically, how crypto came into existence, how crypto coins do come into existence by being launched on exchange marketplaces after they have gone through the tokenomics stage and they have bought the coin on a particular airdrop platform. Then you now show how to make use of your UID and your crypto address to transfer your crypto coin after they have been launched from the project platform down to an exchange platform. So literally, airdrop hunting will teach you a lot about crypto. Don't stress yourself. If you want to learn about crypto, start with airdrop hunting. Yes. And if you want to make your first crypto money free, you don't have any money. Let's say as a beginner, you don't have any money to put in. You want to make free money. Airdrop hunt. Airdrop hunt. Yes, it's airdrop hunting that will make you understand how to really put money into crypto. If you join the crypto ecosystem and you want to just start by day trading, you will lose money. Truth be told, because the market moves in an exponential direction. But airdrop hunting will keep you safe. You are not here to trade. So there is nothing concerns you if market goes up or it comes down. Because what you are targeting is free digital assets. You are not spending any money for it. The only thing that you're making use of is your time, your mobile phone, and your internet data. So it's a proven way to make money online. It's a proven strategy. It's a proven strategy to make money online, and it's also a proven strategy to get internet knowledge. Like I said, I'll repeat myself again. The very first money I made in crypto, I made it through airdrop hunting. Don't joke with airdrop. Don't joke with airdrop. Aside the money you're going to make from airdrop, the knowledge you're going to get as an airdrop hunter as triggered the crypto ecosystem. My dear, you will thank me. You will thank me. So don't joke with it, guys. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. We're not doing this thing for validation. We are trying to build momentum. We are trying to build more knowledge. We are trying to stack up knowledge sets. We are trying to stack up digital skill sets. You understand? Being a crypto... See, let me tell you one thing. As an internet hustler, as a young person that wants to build a sustainable income stream online, that want to better his life, please and please go and get crypto knowledge. Go and get crypto knowledge. Go and learn how crypto works. Go and learn how crypto ecosystem works. You will thank me later. I bet you. You will thank me later. Don't joke with crypto knowledge. As an internet hustler, I repeat, you see I'm very serious, right? As an internet hustler, don't joke with crypto knowledge. Even if you don't have the money to put in now, even if you don't have the money to invest into crypto now, you can start it through airdrop. Then later, when things start getting better, you can put in money, real money into crypto. Don't be scared. First of all, understand the market. Anything you are doing in life, if you understand what you are doing, you hardly make mistake. Like when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't really understand what I was doing. I didn't know that I have to work with a strategy. I have to have a pattern of making my content. I was just doing it randomly, the Make Money Online space, make money online content. Although it didn't kill my channel because I was just at the experimenting stage. YouTube do permit it. There is something known as the experimentation stage. As a beginner, they know you are a beginner. You barely know what you are doing. But you just want to grow. You are just eager to do this thing. Like, you just want to be the better version of yourself. So they will give you room to experiment. YouTube gives room to experiment. It's a platform, or it's a social media platform that supports long-term growth process. You can take your time as long as more time you want to take. No problem. So that's one thing you also need to understand about the crypto ecosystem. Don't joke with crypto knowledge. If you see someone that is willing to teach you or pass you crypto knowledge for free, please treat that person like a gold. Because one of the investments you make for yourself later is by putting money into crypto assets. Crypto knowledge? Crypto knowledge? Don't joke with it. There is more to it than even making money through crypto. Because the main reason why crypto was even invented wasn't for the sake of making money through it. The main reason why crypto was invented was for money movement, anonymous money movement, anonymous money transfer was the reason why crypto was invented. Bitcoin was the first crypto that was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. So the problem Satoshi Nakamoto had in mind to solve then was how he can transfer thousands or even millions of dollars online without anybody interrupting it, without your bank, without an intermediary, no third party. It's just between you and the crypto ecosystem and your transaction. And it's impossible to print fake crypto assets. Just like you have fake dollar, you have fake naira. There is nothing like fake crypto assets. You can't fake crypto. So it's a very secure way to protect assets, to store money. And you can even purchase gold in crypto assets. It's a stable way of storing assets. Instead of you carrying gold chain, gold bangle, gold ring up and down, storing them in your boss, being afraid of armed robbery attack, all of that, you can buy gold in crypto. You see? So let's say you don't want to put in money in maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or any other, or maybe Doge or any other crypto asset. You can basically keep money or store gold in crypto assets. Same value with real world gold. Whenever you want to sell out, same value with real world gold. So these are things I've experimented over the years. I've seen how it works. So no problem. No doubt. If you doubt me, try it. You can drag me. I'm always here online. You can drag me on social media. No problem. What I'm telling you is reality, bro. As an internet hustler, as a young person that want to better your life, please and please go and get crypto knowledge. Don't joke with it. You can get it here on this channel, because from time to time now we'll be sharing crypto related content. So guys, it's still Daniel Anthony. The first money I made in crypto, I made it through airdrop. And my crypto knowledge I have today came through airdrop hunting. So if you want to accumulate crypto knowledge, you want to stack up real crypto knowledge, airdrop hunt. Explore the airdrop hunting ecosystem part of crypto. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you all. But for now, bye bye and peace.